Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode. Today we're going to be unboxing a couple more kicks that I was able to cop from one Nike. There was a couple of releases that happened over this weekend and a lot of things were dropping. So, and two, something I've been working on, I've been making moves on to get this pair of shoes. Meaning I had to, buy a couple or sell a couple pairs just to get this. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the Air Jordan 1s, one of my staple pairs of shoes that I love. Again, everybody loves a pair. Wasn't like really too big on getting these, but they're a general release, and I had to get a black and white pair. Officially, these are the black and gym red with a little bit of white. And they are actually reminiscent of the not for resale shoe. So there you have it. You have the black, white, and gym red. Comes with factory lace, black laces, and your extra red laces. So not too much going on with this pair. I know they sold out just like all the other Air Jordan 1s. Resale price are a little bit, around the same. Quality on this, they're a little buttery in the white areas, but the area around the sole, that white trim right there, is a little bit off-white. So I don't know about that, because sometimes, over time, you have shoes that actually turn off-white, and it makes it look like the shoes are super old. So there you have it. You have this past weekend's release. Tons of things that I was copying this past week that are now arriving. So yeah, let's move on. So again, I was making some moves. I had to sell a couple pair of shoes. You got to keep it in the budget. Got the mortgage and all that now, and a new crib here. So that's what you see. You see a major change in the background scenery. So yep, adulting. Anyways, this collaboration, gosh, I've been waiting for something like this, and the first two pairs that came out were just a little bit too expensive for me, and these are actually in the range, which were just a little bit over retail and tax. So I had to make some moves in order to get this pair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. And just to let you know, kudos and shout out to GOAT. Hopefully they deliver on this package, because I'm just hoping, I've gotten something that was very expensive before from the resellers like StockX, and literally was not impressed or was very pissed off at the fact that the box was all jacked up. So hopefully whoever sold me this pair has everything intact. So yeah, let's get into this, because once you see this box, you will already know what collaboration it is. Bam! Boom. And of course, this box is the Fear of God. So these Fear of Gods are actually the sale during the week of the release. There was, or the month of the release, there was the Orange Pulse, as well as the Frosted Spruce, which is the green. And then later on, they had the sale color. If I'm not mistaken, I think they were like a week apart, or they could have been all released at the same time. But yeah, this box right here, they have this kind of melon colored salmon. Gosh, I have the Raids in all black. Gosh, and the box is pretty cool, but this, because you already know what the silhouette's like, the box is a little bit bigger. So enough of me talking, and let's just open this thing. Boom. So you get the GOAT sticker. So it says here, when you purchase from GOAT, that there's a GOAT verified card, and literally they go through, they punch holes in all these areas, which is kind of like their checkoff list, their quality control, and the authentication. So you see that right there. So something that you'd be receiving from GOAT. Unfortunately, I didn't receive that when I bought my Air Max Susans. So first things first, I know there's so many videos out there, but if you want Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification button, as well as smash the like button. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, I can go back and let you guys know, because I was going through the videos asking questions because I have wide feet and nobody was actually like returning or responding to me. So I just pulled the trigger on a 10.5, which is, I'm a 10.5 and 11. Jordan 1s, I wear 11. Like with my raids, my raids, I have them in a size 10.5. So that's what I went with. And a lot of people in the review saying that they were kind of like a little bit bigger they run a little bit bigger. So go half size down. But anyways, so here you have, which I thought was a dust bag, is the Nike and Air Fear of God, kind of like a tote bag with a lining on it. So one side says Air Fear of God, the other has a Nike swoosh. And you can tell it's already coming in black. So pretty cool. So you get that. A lot of people realize that they had to rip open this, but that you actually do. But I'm assuming these are the extra laces as well as the extra lace locks that they come through. And I found that out because of the other reviews that I've been watching. And it looks like, yes, they are sealed. So thank you, whoever sold me these pair. This pair, they left them in here and they didn't rip them open. So I know that there's gonna be a fresh, extra lace lock and pair of laces. So it says Air Fear God here again, and then swoosh on the other side. Oh yeah. So just to show you guys, this is pretty cool. They come in like almost like foil, which I thought was pretty cool. But yeah, let me put this down and then open these. Man, I just love like this moment of like opening, unboxing, and wrapping. Whew. These are pretty. And again, these are one of the Jerry Lorenzo's favorite pairs out of all the colorways. He loves all his children, but the sail color leaves room. There's a room in his heart for the sail color, which is pretty dope. So ultimately, I'm only here to make sure that these I'm hoping 10.5 would fit. So yeah, I'm not gonna get into this. Of course, you got the air unit, you got all that. There's other reviews that will go through it. I'm here just to unbox it and then try them on and see what they look good in. But stay tuned for an on-foot look, as well as how to style this. So yeah, these are pretty legit, man. So pardon my recording, I'm just gonna put these on. I got mine for 400 or 500 bucks. Hey, what's up, Jerry? Oh, yeah, no, I definitely got my pair. Cool. Oh, Amarillo's coming out? Dope, man, can't wait to get those. All right, dude, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. So the true test now is actually putting them on. I have wide feet. These are a size 10.5. And if everybody's saying what they're supposed to be saying, and it's supposed to be they're supposed to run a little bit bigger, then we'll see. If not, then I just have a small pair on me. Or I might return them to GOAT. That's the cool thing about GOAT, is that you can get credit back, or you can, hopefully you can exchange them. Definitely you get credit back for sure. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely let me know. Put them in the comment box there. Also, I'm going to try and put more emphasis on like how to wear these and style them. Also, I'm gonna let you guys know what they feel like, as I'm, panning out on, the, on feet look. So, thanks guys. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. I'm gonna be dropping so many more. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Thanks.